Hello and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee. My former co-host, Matty G, was nowhere to be found this morning, so we've replaced him with Mr. Josh Kenworthy.
Yours truly.
Now on to the... Oh, wait a minute, hold on. We're just getting a video call from the Philippines?
Hey Jordan, so here's the deal. I woke up late and I missed the boat, so I decided to take an airplane to try and beat you guys to Anvil, but I also took the wrong airplane and now I'm in the Philippines. So I was just wondering, when are you gonna come and get me?
Matt, do I look like your mom? I'm not coming to get you.
What do you mean you're not gonna pick me up? You need me.
I need you like I need a third chopstick. Really?
Okay, well, what am I supposed to do?
I don't know, go find a karaoke machine or something.
Okay, give me 48 hours and I'll see you at Anvil.
Matt, it takes you longer than 48 hours to digest bubble tea, much less get to Anvil Island. Anyway, in your absence, we've got this very special clip that's very dear and near to my heart. It hasn't been seen for many years, but given your absence, how can we not show it? Let's roll it.
Hundreds and hundreds of times of seeing it, it's just as pathetic as ever. Alright, now we're gonna go to Aiden with the field report.
Thanks, Josh. I'm Aiden Patel, your field reporter. And this is the upper field, aptly named for its comparative altitude with the lower field. That's all I got. Back to you, Josh.
Thank you for your wisdom, Gandhi.
Anyway, that's the show for today, guys. Thanks for watching the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee.
And I'm the co-host, Josh Kenworthy.
Signing off.